One missing tool, a skipped calibration. That's all it takes to put your audit grade at risk. If you work in a UK food factory, you know a BRCGS audit isn't just a checkbox. It affects contracts, credibility, even your production schedule. In this video, I'll walk you through a proven approach to audit readiness, grounded in factory practices. So what is BRCGS looking for? Consistency, traceability, control. However, in practice, the most common reasons for non-conformances are surprisingly simple. Tools left out of place, uncalibrated meters, ambiguous color coding. These aren't high-level failures, they're everyday gaps, which means they're fixable. And if you take a systems approach, audit readiness becomes something your team maintains day to day, not scrambles for once a year. Let's start with visibility. If your hygiene tools don't have a clear home, they'll go missing, get mixed up, or end up in the wrong zone. That's why visual control systems, like color-coded shadow boards, are so effective. The best ones are obvious at a glance. It's not about looking neat, it's about showing your auditor instantly that your team knows what's expected and what's out of place. Next, calibration. A digital meter is only useful if it's accurate, and traceably so. In an audit, you'll be asked to show when it was last calibrated, what standard was used, and whether the results are documented. That might mean a simple daily check against a buffer solution. Make it a habit. Now color coding. This one still trips up a lot of sites. It's not enough to have colors. They need to be meaningful, consistent, and backed by documentation. Whether that's by risk zone, allergen status, or task type, make sure your team understands the logic. The easiest way to do that? Put it on the wall. Simple SOP visuals in break areas or near cleaning stations save questions and reduce training time too. Auditors don't expect perfection, they just expect control. The key to building that confidence is great training. Use internal audits not just as a tick box exercise, but a chance to train your team, asking the same types of questions an auditor would. And the more you practice, the more audit ready your team becomes. So think about how your site shows that. Through tidy tool storage, documented checks, and clear visual systems. And if your team's involved in building those systems, not just following them, they'll be more consistent, more engaged, and better prepared. Thanks for watching. If you found it useful, you can subscribe for more practical tips on hygiene, audits, and food factory best practices.